We're rolling.
Oh. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Go ahead and roll the intro.
We don't have one of those.
Go ahead. Roll it now.
I really mean
Intro, please.
we have no intro yet.
Okay, this is awkward. I guess we'll just get into the video then.
I feel like a horse's patoot.
Sorry about that whole intro confusion. I'm sure we'll have an intro for you soon and it will be glorious. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. And by the way, thank you to all you guys that have been subscribing to the channel. I think we're up to 83 subscribers. I didn't think we'd be anywhere near 100 this fast. It's only been a couple months, which I think is pretty good. So thanks for hitting that subscribe button for me. And if you haven't already, sorry for pointing the blade. I didn't mean to point the blade at you like that. But if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and that thumbs up. I really appreciate it, guys. All right, so on with the unboxing. This first one is from Ball Python Investments. I don't know if you can see that from there. Ball Python Investments. Alrighty. This is gonna get messy. But that's just how we do it. That's how we do it. Alright, so this little pretty girl is a fire pied het xanthic. And I know you've seen me unbox another one of these previously in another video that was a fire pied. Well, I plan to have breed that one with my xanthic pied to make hets. And this is actually already a fire pied that's already het for xanthic. So that puts me a couple years ahead of my breeding schedule. So this one wasn't available when I bought the other one, or else I wouldn't end up with two of them, but I figure I'll take them both. They're both females, so I can breed the other one to another snake. But she's really pretty regardless. I'll leave her right there. Hopefully she doesn't go anywhere. Stay there. Alrighty, on for number 2. How you doing there? You doing okay? You're right there. You're gonna have a friend here in a second. All right. And we'll let Lisa introduce this next one to you. See if she remembers exactly the genetics of this snake. Ooh! Yes!
I don't know what that was.
Wow! I don't know what that was either, but look at that. Holy crap. Now that's a beautiful animal there. Wow. All right, Lisa, would you mind telling the kind viewers what this is right here?
This is a super pastel ghost pied leopard female.
Nailed it. You got it. I'll put her right down there. So
There we
you can
go.
look.
I wonder what that box is
how-
still doing on the counter.
Oh, yeah. That's a good question. Boom!
Nailed it. Oh, hello.
Oh, so I think that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. Not a whole lot else going on right now. I'm gonna have one other shipment coming, possibly next week. And that's probably gonna be about it for us for a little while, because my bank account started up here and now it's going. Hasn't quite crashed yet, but it's definitely on its way down. So we got one more unboxing coming for you, and that'll probably do it for a little while. Maybe we'll show some of the clutches and stuff that we're planning on having here soon, and hopefully after they're incubated we can make some egg cutting videos for you. And come over here, let's film. Come over here to Cheyenne for a second. Hi guys, this is my dog Cheyenne. You see her here? She wants you to like and subscribe to this video. And if you don't, she says she's gonna jump through the screen and bite you on the hiney. She's probably not going to. She's probably not even gonna get up. I don't even think that she realizes she has teeth. Thanks guys. See you later.